Tony Stark, also known as Iron Man, is a brilliant inventor, engineer, and industrialist at the helm of Stark Industries, a world leader in advanced technology and weapons manufacturing, founded by his father, Howard Stark. Tony knows that hidden treasures in manufacturing can translate to significant cost-saving opportunities. He embarks on a journey through various parts of his plant to uncover these treasures, constantly innovating to enhance efficiency. To effectively tap into these opportunities, Tony assembles a team of superheroes, each championing cost savings in specific areas to transform his company. Realizing the importance of a strategic plan to maximize these discovered treasures, Tony envisions a blueprint, his manufacturing cost analysis and budgeting strategy. He entrusts Black Widow, known for her strategic planning and intelligence, with the task of dissecting and managing the company's finances. Her meticulous budget management and resource allocation skills are crucial for tracking and controlling manufacturing costs. Tony also identifies excess fat, inefficiencies such as surplus materials, unnecessary steps, and wasted time. To address these, he brings in Captain America, who applies lean manufacturing principles to streamline operations and reduce waste.
If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content.
Understanding his supply chain as a complex orchestra, Tony takes on the role of conductor, ensuring that each section, from procurement to logistics, is finely tuned to play in perfect harmony. He leverages Spider-Man's web-slinging skills to create the most efficient logistical routes, optimizing the supply chain process. However, Tony soon realizes that the pursuit of perfection has its costs. Quality issues and defects, the hidden pitfalls that drain resources, must be managed carefully. With the help of Dr. Bruce Banner, Hulk, known for his meticulous lab work, Tony emphasizes the importance of managing the cost of quality through rigorous testing and preventative measures. Recognizing the need for skilled negotiation, Tony becomes a master negotiator, forming strong relationships with suppliers and vendors. With Thor's experience in managing diverse realms and allies, Tony ensures strategic sourcing and effective supplier relationship management, crucial for cost optimization.
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate.
As Tony looks to the future, he understands that sustainability is not only beneficial for the planet, but also for business. Inspired by Groot, the embodiment of natural resources, he leads a green revolution in his factory, adopting more energy-efficient and environmentally friendly operations that also yield significant cost savings. Finally, Tony acknowledges that his greatest resource is his people. By engaging employees in cost-saving initiatives, he transforms every worker into a guardian of efficiency. Their collective efforts lead to sustained success and continuous improvement. Empowered by Captain Marvel, his employees embrace a culture of cost awareness and shared responsibility, driving the company towards ongoing improvement and innovation